What's going on, guys? 2004 Ford Explorer. Is your fuel pump not coming on? Do you want to check it out? First, check to see if your horn works. If the horn works, you know that the horn relay and the horn fuse are intact. And now you can troubleshoot the fuel pump relay and the fuel pump fuse. So over on the driver's side, pop this box open here. The horn works, so you know that the horn relay, which is right here, works. The fuel pump relay is right next to it. So you can swap these around. If your horn stops working and your fuel pump starts running, then you know that the relay was the issue. If you swap relays, nothing changes, you're gonna wanna check the fuse. So the 20 amp fuel pump fuse is gonna be right here. And if you find that it's blown, you wanna swap it. I recommend swapping it with the 20 amp horn fuse right here. So real convenient. Swap these two if you find one blown. Swap these around. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.